Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to troubleshoot Roblox connection error, that is how to fix Roblox connection error. Now Roblox connection errors can be frustrating but often have simple solutions, so I'm going to give you a breakdown of the common fixes. Always check your internet connection. That's the first thing you should do. Ensure a stable internet connection with strong signal strength. Then a minimum download speed of 1 MB per second is recommended for smooth gameplay. Then you can restart your router and modem to refresh your connection, or you restart your internet connection to make sure it is fresh so that you won't have any more problems. If it doesn't work, update your Roblox. Now, outdated Roblox might have compatibility issue, so update the latest version. We're going to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store, you want to update, and then at the bottom, tap on the search bar, and write Roblox. Now you can see right here, if there's another version, it's written here, you see update. So as you can see, I've updated mine to the latest version. The next thing you can do is check the Roblox server status. Now for maintenance or outages, visit the official Roblox status page to see if there's any reported server issues. Next thing you can do is, sometimes there might be interference from your antivirus software or firewalls. They mistakenly blocks Roblox, so what you do is add Roblox to their exception list. If that doesn't work, clear Roblox cache. Sometimes the corrupted cache files can cause connection problems, so you clear your Roblox files. How do you do this? Minimize, then press down up here, go to app information, or you can go to settings, go to apps to get here, and then you can see storage. Click on storage. You can see cache over here, so clear your cache. It's as simple as that. And the next thing you can do is, if all this doesn't work, just simply restart your device. It's a simple restart, but it can solve or resolve temporary glitches. If all this doesn't work out and your problem persists, just simply contact Roblox support for further assistance. If possible, always use a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. And then try connecting to Roblox from a different device to rule out local network issues. I know that VPN can be useful, but they may also interfere with your Roblox connection. Don't forget what I said. If you're still having trouble, provide more details about the specific error message you are receiving, because it can help you in finding a more tailored solution when you are reporting to Roblox, when you contact Roblox support. I repeat, provide details about the specific error message you're receiving, so you can get a more tailored solution when you're contacting Roblox support for further assistance. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, I repeat, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye for now.